Have you ever found yourself in the midst of a deep cleaning session, frustrated by the limitations of traditional steam cleaners tethered to an outlet? If so, the WORX WX770L SteamStorm might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. This innovative tool claims to bring the power of steam cleaning to a portable, cordless format, making it easier than ever to tackle dirt, grime, and bacteria in hard-to-reach places. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the features, pros, and cons to see if this steam cleaner is a worthwhile addition to your cleaning arsenal. The WORX SteamStorm is designed for those who need a powerful yet portable steam cleaner. Weighing just 2.8 pounds with the battery attached, this lightweight device is easy to maneuver, allowing you to clean for longer periods without discomfort. The 4.1 fluid ounce water tank might seem small, but it's sufficient for quick cleaning tasks around the house. One of the standout features of the SteamStorm is its ability to reach a steam temperature of 220 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This makes it ideal for sanitizing surfaces like countertops, bathroom tiles, car interiors, and more. What's more, it heats up in just 8 seconds, so you're not left waiting around when you're ready to get to work. The steam cleaner is also designed with user convenience in mind. Unlike some other models, the SteamStorm does not require you to hold down a trigger continuously. Instead, a single on-off button controls the steam flow, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. In addition to its core functionality, the SteamStorm comes with several accessories, including 2 nylon bristle brushes for scrubbing tough stains and a flat scrubber tool for sticky messes. The versatility provided by these attachments ensures that you can tackle a variety of cleaning challenges with ease. If you're intrigued by the idea of a cordless steam cleaner that offers both power and portability, you might want to check out the WORX SteamStorm on Amazon. Now, let's take a closer look at the potential drawbacks and benefits of the WORX SteamStorm. Cons: small water tank may require frequent refills. Limited battery life. No adjustable fixed steam output. While these drawbacks might be a deal breaker for some, let's not forget the advantages that make this tool appealing. Pros: portability. Cordless design offers unmatched convenience and flexibility. Rapid heating. Ready to use in just 8 seconds, minimizing downtime. High steam temperature. 220 degree Fahrenheit steam effectively sanitizes surfaces. Versatility. Comes with multiple attachments to handle various cleaning tasks. User-friendly design. Simple on-off operation reduces hand fatigue. The WORX SteamStorm is a compelling option for anyone in need of a portable, powerful steam cleaner. While it does have some limitations, such as a small water tank and the fixed steam output, its benefits, particularly its portability, rapid heating, and high steam temperature, make it a strong contender in the market. If this sounds like the tool for you, be sure to check it out on Amazon, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this review if you found it helpful. Happy cleaning!